Trauma has a voice, and sometimes it whispers the loudest lies when you're trying to heal. Lie number 1. It was your fault. No, it wasn't. You did not ask for the pain. You didn't deserve the betrayal. What happened to you may shape you, but it does not define you, and it was never your fault. That blame, let it go. It was never yours to carry. Lie number 2. You're too broken to heal. Listen, healing is not about being perfect. It's about showing up again and again, even with shaky hands, even with a heavy heart. You are not broken. You are becoming. There is beauty in rebuilding. And lie number 3, you're alone. But you're here, aren't you? And I'm here too. And thousands of others are rising from the same ashes. You are not alone. You are surrounded by survivors, silent warriors, and people learning to live again. Just like you. Here's the truth that sets you free. You are worthy of healing. You are not what happened to you. You are still here, and that means you're still rising.